Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A1K, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and in search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. I think I got the poor internet connection, because always they just a couple of seconds just to download this application. And now we have to open the app. Here just click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and tap here to use the application. Now just here click done and go to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see that's finished right now. And now just we'll try to type something in our search, and as can you see here we got our keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis, as can you see. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.